Hi guys, Evan here at Bartlett Automotive Huntingdon. Today we've got this lovely 718 Boxster. So the customer's brought the vehicle in with some issues with their roof. Having looked at it, we can see that one of the string tensioners has snapped for the fabric roof. Now luckily Porsche do provide a really handy repair set for these. So we're going to have to drill out a few rivets, feed in a new string, and we can repair this now for them. So there we have it, tensioning string all fitted. Just got to remove all the vehicle protection from inside the vehicle, give it a hoover to get rid of all the metal, and then we're going to return it back to the customer. So if you've got any needs on your Porsche, bring it here to Bartlett Automotive Huntingdon.